Yesterday, like I said earlier, was the 45th anniversary of this historic ruling in the National Elected Assembly of Pakistan to declare, not make. They were only made aware after Mirza Nasir, the then leader of the Qadiyani cult. It wasn't that in his absence these people got together and they were excited by some ulama, Mufti Mahmud rahimahullah, Maulana Ghulam Ghaus Hazarvi and others. They excited them, and in this excitement they said, okay, let's declare these Qadianis as a non-Muslim minority. No! Mirza Nasir was invited to the whole parliament and given the opportunity to present his case. Not in half an hour, not in 15 minutes as some speakers have come here, or 5 minutes. Mirza Nasir was given 13 days. 13 days of full parliamentary sessions and extensive time, more than enough time to prove his case. And then the Qadianis used to boast that because then Pakistani government kept the proceedings of that assembly confidential, top secret. And after 40 years, the government of Pakistan was taken to High Court to make these proceedings public. The government lost the case. And so the Pakistani government had to make these proceedings public. And the Qadianis used to boast. They used to claim that the government is keeping these proceedings secret, and if they make them public, half of Pakistan will become Qadiani overnight. Well, the government did make them public. How many people became Qadianis? Not one, not a single person, not even those 300 plus members of the parliament who were present when Mirza Nasir was being cross-examined. Not a single amongst them became Qadiani. In fact, many Qadianis, when they read the proceedings, they felt ashamed of the answers and the stance presented by Mirza Nasir. Many, alhamdulillah, accepted Islam and abolished Qadianism because of that.